Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. My name is Harini and this is Excel lesson 1. In this lesson, we are going to learn what Microsoft Excel is and understand the Excel interface. This lesson is for beginners, so don't worry if you are new to Excel. Let's start. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application. We use Excel to store information, organize data, make calculations, and create planners and reports. Excel is used by students, teachers, professionals, even for personal work. Once you learn the basics, Excel becomes very easy and powerful. When we open Excel, we see a blank file. This file is called a workbook. A workbook can contain multiple worksheets. You can see the worksheet tabs at the bottom. Each worksheet can be used for different purposes. At the top of Excel, you can see quick access toolbar, small buttons for save, undo, redo and others. You can customize it. Title bar shows the file name. Minimize button, click to hide Excel temporarily. Maximize restore button, click to make Excel full screen or restore window size. Close button, click to close Excel. These buttons are very important for navigating Excel easily. Columns are vertical and labeled with letters like A, B, C. Rows are horizontal and labeled with numbers like 1, 2, 3. A cell is the box where a row and a column meet. For example, this is cell A1. This is where we enter data. The ribbon contains tabs such as Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, View. Each tab has different tools. Don't worry about learning everything now. We will learn them step by step in the future lessons. The Home tab is most commonly used. Here we can change font style and size, make text bold, italic or underline, add colors and borders, align text. These tools help us make Excel sheet clean and readable. Click File. Click Save As. Choose a location, give the file a name and click Save. Always save your work regularly. That's all for today's lesson. We learned what Excel is, the Excel interface including quick access toolbar and window buttons. In the next lesson, we will start creating something useful step by step. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.